I cannot get enough of making these little two-section pamphlet stitch booklets. I plan on selling these at my next craft show. I made these in about 2 days, part-time, not going full-time, not going all day long. I am just cranking them out. They're fun to make. They're beautiful. I showed a video, which I'll link below, on how to make these out of wallpaper borders. They're so beautiful. And I'm going to show you, I'm having so much fun making them. These steampunk ones, that's upside down. Having so much fun making them that I thought I would do a video making one out of scrapbook paper, because that is more than likely what you're going to be doing if you don't have a bunch of wallpaper on hand like I do.